Today we got a video from Bodycam Files, and the title of the video is How to Get Banned from the Train Station.
Police respond to a train station regarding an intoxicated woman refusing to leave the platform.
Oh, is she on the track?
No, she's the one sitting down right there.
Hello. So what's going on today? So what's going on today? Why do you think I'm here?
Because I think you're not bad.
Just sitting down around the track here. I say it's not a safe spot to sit down.
What I'm asking you is though, is you want her to trespass or do you want her to leave?
I want to ask her to leave if she come in next time.
So, just ask her to leave while we're standing here. It's not an official trespass unless you want it to, but I need you to say it.
Yeah, don't you dare to me. You have to take your glasses off and talk to the cop. Don't talk to the cops.
Young lady, can you please?
I swear. Get him out of my spot.
What's your first name?
Get him out of here.
Just listen to me for a second, okay? We're gonna
detective because this is not acceptable.
He is a representative of the train and security for this property. For this property. He's asked you to leave.
I'll go to jail.
Listen, he's asked you to leave.
If she can't cross my road, I'm going to trespass.
You're a piece of shit.
Listen.
I'll go to jail.
Hey, just listen. Stop talking. My patients are wearing thin, okay? I'm trying to be nice, and so is he. And you're wearing them thin. Just stop. Just stop for a second, okay? He's asked you to leave. He's not trespassing you at this time.
Can he leave first?
What he works here. He doesn't have to leave. He's asking you to leave. If you fail to leave and he wishes to trespass you, we'll go to jail.
Let's go.
I don't want to take you to jail. I just want you to go about your day either that way or that way.
No, he needs to.
Because what's going to happen is I'm going to take you to jail and you're probably going to stay overnight.
I love it there, the gun club.
You do?
Call Lori.
You sure you want to have another charge or go about your day about your free
What is my
business?
charge?
You're going to be charged with trespassing if you don't leave. Listen, it's very simple. Please leave. Please leave.
No, not till he's out of my sight. I'll talk to you guys when he's not in.
We can go talk. Which way do you want to go? Do you want to go that way or that way?
I'll talk to both of you. Get him out of my face.
What I'm asking you is, do you want to go out to the front or do you want to go over to there and talk? He's not moving. I can't make him leave. He works here. This is his train.
Oh, so, I mean, if I'm getting like, I can't ask him if they're serious. Call Lori from North Palm. She says it's on. Now it's on. I ask for help.
Yeah, so what you're saying is something happened. Did something happen
Yes.
here? Okay. Do you see those cameras that are all through the platform?
Bring it on.
Okay. If you make a false statement, you will go to jail. Do you understand that? Do you understand that? Do you understand?
Let's bring it.
Do you want to start down this rabbit hole? Because I can start down this rabbit hole with you, and it's not going to end very nice with you.
What'd you get?
No. If something happened with him and you, that's fine. But if nothing happened and you're accusing him of something...
Bring it. There's like 3 things that happened. Come on.
What?
I ain't talking to you. Fucking glasses.
So then how can I start an investigation?
I asked for help.
Would you...
You want to excuse him? He's gonna sit. Listen, Gucci boy.
Would you like to press...
You're on the case.
Trespass is standing right here.
Right here, man.
After leave one more time.
Young lady,
Take me to jail.
platform, please. Go this way or that way.
Ma'am, if you fail to leave, you will go to jail. You understand that? I'm giving you an opportunity to leave.
I'm not leaving.
Okay, stand up.
Thank God.
Can you get his information from Black Hawk? Come on. Come on.
How I walk.
Please walk with me. Come on.
I can't do it.
Come on.
It's funny.
Am I laughing? I'm not laughing.
You guys don't look at this. It's awful. Fucking
Okay.
hurt my hand. I can't
Come
feel
on.
my wrist.
Come on. I'm just asking you to walk. Come on. You can walk at normal pace, okay? I'm not walking fast. I know you are. I'm just asking you to walk with me. That's all. When I get to the car, I'll double check them again. That's fine. Come on. Come on. When we get to the car, I'll check it. You influence any drugs or alcohol today?
I was trained by your dad because I asked for help.
Well, I saw the shutter home behind you. That's why I'm asking if you were drinking today. Come on.
Why?
Car's right
If
there.
you don't drink, you hit women? Oh, no.
I'm gonna look at him again.
I want a woman present, please. Ow!
I'm looking at him. Give me a second. Stop twisting your wrist. Stop. Stop twisting them. Stop pulling away. Stop pulling away. Stop. I'm checking them. they're too tight, I'll loosen them a little bit, okay? I just have to check against your wrist bone. My finger can fit in there, but I'll loosen it one more for you. Is that better?
No, you keep hurting me. I want to walk.
Oh, stop. You're okay.
Get your gloves on. You're hurting me more now. What are you doing?
Give me this.
Give me my shirt.
You have anything on there? Stick or poke me, ma'am? You have anything on a stick or poke me? No?
You touch my ass like that?
What's in your pocket back here?
My fucking cigarettes.
Can you pull it out for me?
No, I can't because my cuffs. You watch it right here? Yeah, you fucking hurt me. I can't even move my wrist.
Anything in this
Stop
pocket?
touching my crotch.
No, I'm not. Knock it off. Come on. Do you have anything on you that I didn't find? Please sit down in the car for me.
Where's my son?
Please sit down in the car for me. Please sit down in the car
What am
for
I being
me.
charged with? What am I being charged with?
Trespassing and disorderly conduct.
No.
Sit in the car. I've asked you before. Stop pulling away.
Honestly, people get arrested for the dumbest things, man. Like, it's February 27th, 2024 in this video. And a lot of times I'll be like, well, when people get arrested in the winter for like the dumbest things, it's because maybe they're homeless and they just, you go to jail, you get 3 hots and a cot or whatever. You know what I mean? Go for something petty and you can stay there for a few months or whatever. But this right here, it looks like a nice day. It looks like maybe this is in Florida or something, so it's nice out. And I just don't have the excuse. I mean, I don't know what is her reasoning for just sitting on the trains, the platform, for hours. Like, I really don't understand why someone would want to go to jail for this. Maybe life is hard. Maybe it's easier in there, but this right here, I mean, I just think, she got a couple of screws loose. It really don't even make no sense to me.
Sarah, do you wish to provide your name and date of birth? Do you wish to provide your name and date of birth?
A fingerprint.
Okay.
I need
your
I need help. I
Please, your right hand?
No, I'm not.
Can I have your right hand, please?
Please. No. Oh my God. No.
Please.
No.
I'm just
No.
just obtain your
You
identification.
want to pull me again and pull me out of the car? I'll never. Go ahead. I'll go to jail for 10 years because you fucking put your hands on me. I'm fucking.
Can I get your right hand?
No. Let the fucking woman come. You don't put your
For what?
hands on.
What
You
does the female
don't
need?
fucking touch me like that every once in a while. You grab me. Come on. I asked for a woman 7 times. I would like a woman
is not
cop.
needed for a
I
pat
would
down.
like a woman cop. He's touched my ass and he touched.
Well, the supervisor's coming regardless.
Good.
Can I see your right hand, please?
No.
Okay. Stand forward. Stop clenching your fist. Stop. Stop resisting. Stop. Stop. Stop pulling away. Stop. You listen. Stop. 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 You need to stop. Stop.
I asked you to get off.
Stop. I've asked you to follow commands and you haven't. Stop.
I swear on my
Stop. Stop and listen. I need your 2 fingers from your right hand.
No, I won't do it until you're off my. No. Ow!
Stop. You need to stop and listen. You're an adult. Stop acting like a child.
Until you get your hands off me. No. Get off me. I want those guys to do it. Get off of me.
Stop.
Ow! Please help me.
Stop.
Oh my God.
They'll ID her down at the jail.
Sit back in the car. Sit up. Sit back in the car. Thank you. You want me to check your handcuffs one more time?
I'm dead. No, I'm sorry.
You want me to listen?
No, I'll leave my.
Just turn and I'll check.
I'll leave. No, don't.
Listen.
I don't want to. No.
Do you want me to check him or
No,
not?
I do not. I want a woman. No.
That's
I want
listen.
you to shut the door.
Listen. Do you want?
I do not.
Do you want me to check?
I want a woman.
Well, you keep saying they're tight. I'm here to check
I don't
them.
care. It's too late. It's
Too late for what?
I asked for shut the door. Take me to jail.
Well, no. We're waiting on an ambulance for 1 and a supervisor's coming number 2.
Good. My other boys are all here. Undercover. You're not touching my.
Do you want me to check the handcuffs?
I don't
or
want
not?
your claws on me again.
Do you want me to check them or not?
No, I
That's
do
what I'm
not.
asking.
I don't want you ever touching me again.
I won't check
Good.
them. That's
Take
up to
a
you.
gun.
It's up to you. Do you want to belt her in or you want me to?
I'm not getting in there.
No,
Right now, I don't have to do it for use of control.
Oh no!
I haven't put my hands on her
Don't
yet.
touch me again.
I just have to put the seatbelt on you. Sit back.
Here.
Sit back, please. I just gotta put the seatbelt on you. Sit back in the seat. I'm gonna put the seatbelt around you. Okay?
Can you do it, please? Can I have a woman do it? I don't want to touch you.
It's not my, we're right here. Nothing's gonna happen.
No, he already heard me. He already heard he's gonna hurt
We're
me.
watching. You're fine.
Just sit back for me.
Let him put the seatbelt on.
No.
You're okay. Right here. Okay?
Just the
You're done.
seatbelt.
I swear, if I
You're
can't,
done.
I can't dream. Don't.
You want me to follow you up there? Or?
Yeah. And my cops, I can't even breathe. They got like shit. You can't fucking arrest them. No.
Yeah, because
Guess what? I asked for a woman. You're not allowed to arrest a woman without a female present. He's gonna fucking
Okay. Thank you. Sarah?
Why are you knocking on the door? I can't open it.
This gentleman's gonna take you down to
Thank you.
jail.
You're a disrespectful police officer, and I know of many. And you disrespect me, charging everything. I'm like the least. Why don't you go to the guard and fucking drug dealers?
The woman was charged with trespass, resisting disorderly intoxication, and threats of serious bodily harm. She pleaded guilty to all 4 charges and was sentenced to 3 days in jail.
Wow. Hey, listen. That's a tough sentence right there. 3 days. Man, you know. So she's a weekend warrior. That's what they call those, weekend warriors. Yeah, the thing is that the more that I was watching this video, I have the feeling that she was definitely under the influence of something. I don't know what. Maybe liquor, maybe not, or whatever. And I do also have the feeling that this is unfortunate, but I think she does have some bad experiences with men, just because of the way that she kept saying, you know, how she wants a woman, and kind of, you know, I mean, a lot of women are going to say that, you know, they would rather a female officer, yada, yada, yada. But like the way that she kind of had like fidgety tendencies and stuff like that, like it was just like really, it was, that part was kind of sad to watch. Now, on the other hand, I don't know why he kept bowing down to her commands. Listen, you already fixed the cuffs once after you can already fit a finger in there. So you already had adjusted them. You could fit a finger in there. You adjusted them. Then she's fighting with you the whole time, right? And then you're going to go back and appease to her more. Oh, did you want me to fix them again? Like, man. You don't go somewhere with that BS, man. I'm not fixing nothing. You've been nothing but a headache. Period. That's why you can't do things for them, man. You give an inch, they take a mile. It's always easier to say no and turn a no into a yes than a yes into a no, man. And when he first adjusted them, after there was already enough space, you opened up that can of worms. Oh, man, that was annoying. I'll give the officer 3 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officer did, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.